Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Early mornings are very cold here now, and last week I got a cold. I'm better now, but my husband has got it from me. Whenever we have a cold or cough, we usually make Krishna Tulsi cough syrup and consume it for 3 days in empty stomach. Today, I'm going to make a cough syrup for my husband. And since Krishna Tulsi is excellent for treating all skin blemishes, I thought I'll make a wonderful skin repair face pack for myself too. We call Krishna Tulsi Karantulasi in Tamil, and the botanical name for it is Ocimum tenuiflorum. The 3 common varieties of Tulsi are Rama Tulsi, which is the common green variety, Krishna Tulsi, which has purple leaves, and Vana Tulsi. Of the 3 varieties, Krishna Tulsi is the most preferred for medicinal uses. Krishna Tulsi is not spicy compared to other Tulsi varieties, so we usually give only Krishna Tulsi extract for kids. Krishna Tulsi cough syrup removes phlegm, treats cough, cold, headache, and it also helps improve immunity. The flowers have a wonderful fragrance, and I thought I'll make a scented sachet with them to keep it in my clothes cupboard. Collect fresh leaves and flowers and separate them. Spread the flowers in a plate. Sun-dry till crisp. Now take a small handful of leaves in a grinding stone and grind along with little water. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns. Grind well. Now strain the mixture. Consume the syrup in empty stomach in the morning for 3 days continuously. For kids, add only 1 to 2 peppercorns and reduce the amount of leaves a bit. Don't consume this if you are on anticoagulant medications or have low blood sugar. If you don't have access to fresh tulsi leaves, you can also use store-bought tulsi tea for this remedy. The other day, I boiled a cup of water. Once it came to a boil, I added a teaspoon of dry tulsi leaves and removed from the fire. I took 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns, pounded them, and added to the tea. I let the mixture steep for a few minutes and strained the mixture. This tea is also excellent for treating cold and cough and should be consumed in empty stomach for best results. This tea can be had by all age groups, but try to consume this tea for 3 days in a row in empty stomach for best results. The flowers are completely dry now. Take them in a small cloth bag. The dried flowers smell amazing and they also act as a natural insect repellent too. I love to keep this scented sachet in my clothes cupboard. For making the pack, take a handful of leaves and a mortar and pestle. Pound well along with little water. Strain the mixture to get fresh Krishna Tulsi extract. Now take the extract in a bowl. Add in a tablespoon of neem powder to it. Finally, add in half teaspoon of pure unprocessed honey. Fresh green tulsi extract burns my skin, but Krishna Tulsi extract does not burn my skin at all. It helps treat all skin infections and is wonderful for treating acne. If you're suffering from acne, apply this pack. It will help reduce the inflammation very quickly. This pack can be used for all skin types. If you don't have access to fresh tulsi extract, you can use tulsi tea too. To use, take the pack and apply it all over the face and neck. Wait for it to almost dry and then wash it off. You can use this pack weekly twice or thrice. If there is any leftover face pack, it can be stored in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. This is a very powerful face pack. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.